Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I am going to show you how to mute someone on Instagram. So let's start. First open the Instagram app. Then search for the profile you want to mute. I'll just select one. Now tap on the three dots on top right corner. Now here you'll see many options. Now tap restrict to mute this person. And now you'll see that you will not be able to see their post and comments on your Instagram feed. You will also not receive any of their messages. Now tap dismiss. Now this person is restricted or muted. To unmute this person again, tap the three dots on top right corner and tap unrestrict. And now you'll be able to see his post again. So if you find this video helpful, then don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next tutorial.